I'm outside. Come down. Okay. Hi. Hey. How are you? Good. Good to see you.
So this is one of our Airbnb properties. Let me give you a tour.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Definitely. So this is 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay.
This is the first bedroom with its own private bathroom.
Nice.
And yeah, so we try to keep it super clean. The bed sheets are washed after every check out, and before every check-in, we inspect the place before our guests come in. So just make sure that everything is nice and clean and very welcoming and homey.
I like the white sheets. I like the furniture.
Thank you. Yeah, and we just it's a throw blanket to add in some color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
So I'll
homey.
take you upstairs.
So
this is the living room, and which has a super nice view of the city, and we have a little coffee table over there. In the morning you can have your coffee, read a book, and enjoy the view.
It looks great.
Thank you. And then this kind of transitions into the dining area and the kitchen right here. So yeah, you can have up to 10 people in here. You can cook and still feel like you're home away from home, because that's exactly what we want our guests to have, that experience that they are not at their home, but they're home away from home. So our guests, they love to cook and stuff like that.
It's super clean. It's very homey.
Thank you.
I like it's spacious too. So again, you guys were in Daly City, gas range and everything.
Right, and we have parking, and that's the number one question we get is like, hey, is there parking? Because it's so close to San Francisco, and Daly City is kind of congested, So that's the number one question we get when someone does a reservation. It's like, hey, do you guys have parking? And we're just super fortunate to have parking with this property. Yeah.
So when someone is booking, they're going to be in contact with you for this property.
Yes. So they sent us a message, and we're on top of our response. We respond right away. We don't take long, like a couple of hours. I've had guests tell me that sometimes they had to wait hours to hear back from a host, but we're on top of our communication because guest experience is everything for us.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Show me around some more.
Cool. Yeah, definitely. Let me show you the 2 other bedrooms. So this room has 2 beds, and like I was sharing with you, this place you can sleep up to 10 guests, and families love that, when they're traveling with kids or like with their grandparents, right? So everyone has their own space.
Nice.
But at the same time, come together, cook a meal, and enjoy that family time. Yeah, this is one of my favorite rooms because
I know I like white.
Yeah.
White sheets make me feel comfortable.
Natural light, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So let me show you the 3rd bedroom. 3rd bedroom. We don't try to do too much decoration. We just try to keep it very minimal, super clean, and tidy.
And I think you remember telling me last time you guys actually renovated the place yourself.
We actually did, yeah. In the beginning, when we saw the space, it wasn't as well kept, I would say, or
It needed some updates.
It needed some updates, yeah. It was pretty good, but then for Airbnb standard, we have a standard. All of our properties, we have a standard. We try to keep the same standard since we're super host. So our guests already know what they're expecting. Once you have the standard, they're comfortable booking your place because they will know that there's a little thing like hair dryer. Like if I know I don't have to pack my hair dryer, I can pack something else, right? So once you have that standard as super host in all of your properties, you have the exact same things and then guests are excited to come back because they know what's in the property. Yeah. So yeah, Gillian, when I was giving you a tour of our Airbnb property, I know you're a listing and buyer's agent. So what did you think about this property, and what would you suggest sellers and buyers at the moment?
Great. Once again, thanks for letting us do the video here. I think it's important for all of our viewers to see Airbnb side and also listing or buying side, because not every owner is ready to sell. They might have other plans or taxes that they're trying to save on, or etc. But as a listing agent and also representing many buyers, I think the property is really great. Location is awesome. You know, you have a fantastic view. I know that would appeal to many buyers. Also with this view and just location, appraisal wise would do awesome. I haven't run the comps yet, so I won't, suggest the price. But walking in, you have the bedroom downstairs, which has a full bath, which is amazing, so that it gives a lot of privacy, especially for some families who have bigger families and parents can't walk it down the stairs too much, or just great for a guest area, for people that are staying over the weekend. You want to give them some privacy. I like, that there's parking, washer and dryers already installed. That's important, of course, for a single family home. It's just super natural lighting. I mean, a lot of natural lighting. Kitchen's well maintained. I think you guys did amazing on the paint. I like the small touches, the features. As a buyer, I think they would probably want to redo the floors and just update kind of some of the cabinets, even though they're well maintained. Right now we're seeing a lot of buyers looking for new modern white gray, like that's just what's in right now. Maybe even painting the staircases or just doing new flooring on over there. And there's not much, of course, maybe a small renovation on the bedrooms and bathrooms, mainly the bathrooms, because they seem a little outdated. But otherwise, I mean, for me, if I can invest in something like this, turn it to Airbnb, I would. It seems like you guys are doing amazing. I know some of our personal friends and family have booked this Airbnb, and everyone has loved it. And as a listing side, of course, I would make those same recommendations to the owners. If I was to propose, to list the home. Just small touches. Honestly, it seems like it's super well maintained. Probably a drawback will be the backyard. It seems like it could do some landscaping or kind of use more space for it. But again, when we've been here for Airbnb small get-togethers, it's done well. Everyone likes the indoor space. It's just, this view is killer. These bay windows are perfect. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, guys. I think this would do well on the market or for any buyer.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you for your insight.
Of course. Thanks again for having us. We appreciate it.
Yeah, definitely.